Mother, I have something to tell you.
What is it, son?
Can you help me? How can I court a girl?
Yes, what is it?
Because I found a girl and I know she's the one for me.
Wow, you're a grown-up man now. You can serenade her or give her some flowers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Minamasdan kita nang hindi mo alam. Pinapangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Mapupulang labi at matingkad mong ngiti, umabot hanggang sa langit. Huwag ka lang titingin sa akin at baka matunaw ang puso kong sabihin. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo. Ang awit ng aking puso.
Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let 'em say we're crazy.